I'm Roman Notsch. I'm from New Brighton, Minnesota. I'm a senior at Coe College and I'm majoring in engineering physics. I like to know how things work, like how they operate within themselves, and that it just extends beyond mechanical things. I like to understand like just science in general, using that knowledge to like come up with new ideas. I really like, and obviously that's very engineering. It's led me that way for a long time. The engineering physics program at Coe, we use our hands a lot. We're all working together to learn it. It's not like we're just being lectured at. I am physically doing a lot of hands-on work here. And so it's been very, very satisfying in that way. I would summarize my last 4 years as growth. A lot of the growth was with play target shooting, actually. We focus a lot on our mental game and our mentality, and that kind of training has really transferred into everything I do. With graduation getting really close, there's a lot of projects that I'm excited about. It's been a lot of really, really cool and crazy opportunities that I've gotten at Coe. The professors at Coe really make you feel believed in and like they're supporting you in everything you do. The most consistent thing in talking with professors is always hearing like, yeah, you can do this, you'll be okay. We'll figure it out. It'll always work out. And they're never negative about things. They're always pushing you and helping you and putting you in the right positions to find high-level success. The biggest thing that I'll miss is being around a group of people that is interested in doing the best, trying to figure new stuff out together. And that's something I don't think a lot of people get everywhere. And so I'll miss that a lot. I want to thank my parents and my grandma and then all of my friends who are here for me and supporting me the whole time.